Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the Pop-up Dialog Macro. If you need to show important messages like warnings, confirmations, work in progress notes, or extra details, without cluttering the page, this macro is perfect. It places a simple trigger button on the page, and when users click it, a clean modal dialog opens with your message. Here's the problem. Sometimes the information is important, but it shouldn't sit in the middle of your page permanently. For example, before you use this page, check with the author. This workflow requires admin approval. Read this before continuing. If you put that content directly on the page, it adds noise. But if you hide it too deeply, users miss it. So, instead of cluttering the page or hiding key info, we'll show it only when the user needs it, using a pop-up dialog. What the macro does, the pop-up dialog macro gives you two parts: a trigger button on the page, customizable text and alignment, a modal dialog that opens on click, configurable title, body, and text styling. You can customize dialog title and body, text alignment, left, center, right, text color, presets, recently used or custom hex, trigger text and trigger alignment. Now let me show you the workflow. Insert the macro, configure the dialog, configure the trigger, and publish. Step 1. Insert the macro. Open the page where you want the pop-up and click Edit. Click Insert or search for Pop-up Dialog and insert the macro. When Setup opens, you'll see a preview on the left and settings on the right. First, we'll style the dialog, what users see after they click. Step 2, configure dialog content plus appearance. Set the title, for example, Work in Progress, or Before You Continue, or anything else. Set the body, the message inside the modal. Then set text alignment, left, center, or right, and choose a text color. Use presets, switch to recently used, or pick a custom color with the color picker. All right, the dialog looks good. Now we'll configure the trigger button that appears on the page. Step 3, configure the trigger button. In the trigger section, a trigger is already added. Click the edit icon to customize it. Set the trigger text, like open details, read warning, or show instructions. Then set page alignment for the trigger, left, center, or right. Click Save, and you'll see the updated trigger preview immediately. Click Save. Then Update or Publish. In View mode, users see the trigger button where you place the macro. When they click it, the modal opens with your title and message. They can close it by clicking outside, pressing Escape, or using the Close button, so it feels clean and native. This solves the original problem. Your page stays uncluttered, but the important message is always available right when users need it. That's it for the Pop-up Dialog Macro. Use it for warnings, confirmations, work in progress notices, or extra details, without adding noise to your Confluence pages. See you in the next video.